And McMahon's FL. I'll cross over. He's in the vice mill at the moment. We saw him coming down the other side, so we turned here and saw him. The cycle truck's over. 0659 is already in the depth with the cycle truck. He's taking it up. Is he done? I do not know how many skip bins are even in the vice mill that he's got to collect. So I'm just here watching him, and when he comes out, he comes out. And yes, when he does come out, I'm going to try to see the number on the truck. I don't know the numbers of the McMahon's trucks because a lot of them look the same. Then there's Dodacos, there's 3 of them, so they look the same. So when it comes up, I'll be getting the number of it. There he is. Is he doing it? What's he doing? Why does he keep collecting the same skip bin? If stuff gets stuck in it, he'd still be banging it, wouldn't he? Alright, he's not collecting the same one, he's moving them and putting them in a line so he can get them all. And when he does come up, I'll try to get him to do the horn. But now I'm just sitting here waiting for him. He's just moving it and he's going to price it over with those other skippers where he's been going. And also, I will get him here if he comes up this way, though. If he goes out the other way, I won't get him to do the horn, because I can't. Why am I full of dirt? Just dirt on him. Yeah, I'm not going no further. That's looking like he's almost done. Oh wait, what? No, not one. Oh no, it's going to go move them all back. Huh? It's been over 10 minutes. This is like a regular video, but I'm just staying in one place, filming a truck. It is. What? No way of following him around. This is like a normal video, but the script's bins get empty like the side loaded. But I'm not moving. What? I could just come here daily. Because yes, the washboard is done daily. Recycle skip, I do not know how often, but I've seen McMahon here every day. Sometime a day I've seen him here. It's just every day McMahon is here entering skip bins. Entering them more. So those over there will get done. There's ones up there that will get done too. Is he turning around? What is he doing? The forks are up at the top. Maybe he's waiting for the gate to be open. I think he's waiting for the gate to be opened up for him to be able to come out. I think that's what he's doing. Because I really think he's going to come out that gate and come out this way. So I think he's waiting for the gate to be opened up so he can get let out. I think that's what he's doing. He's backing up now. He's seriously he's now backing up. He's about to come out. I think the gate's opening up. Hello. 1911 or 22500 is that's one of those is the number. He's going that way. We're done.